Hello, Dan Uris here from MeasureColor today to talk to you about MeasureColor Reports. MeasureColor Reports was designed to be our enterprise data reporting solution to gather print quality information from all of your locations utilizing the MeasureColor software. By bringing all the MeasureColor data centrally to one place, you can search for individual jobs or collectively look at many measurements over time across multiple jobs at multiple locations, presses, or operators, any number of metrics that you wish to compare. Today I'm going to give you a short introduction to the capabilities of reports, so let's start by taking a look for one individual job. Now I'm not sure exactly the name of that job, so I'm going to type in just the first three letters of what I believe it was called, starting with the letters PRO. Because I'm not sure of the exact date, I'm going to leave the date search field to find across all of my data. But if I wanted to, I could specify to one particular date range. Upon my search results, I see two jobs that include the letters PRO, and here's the first one I'm looking for, the one called Process Control. Now, the query is searched against multiple MeasureColor fields, so you can search between your job numbers, name, description, or many other attributes that meet those names. Upon clicking the job I'm interested in, I'm given the opportunity to select from a variety of customized reports that are available for me to review. I'm going to start by taking a look at the job report. Now, this report was developed for internal audiences within the printing company. It has information about the job, overall print quality, data tables with all the metrics that were recorded about all the colors, and then trend information. The main benefit of the job report is to see make-ready information as well as production information. But what if you want to share something with your print buyer, the brand? For that, we have the job scorecard. The job scorecard excludes the make-ready data and shows us average information about all of the production measurements collected. We can see in a different format similar representations of the data, starting with color summaries about average delta E's, a numerical data table, and color stability plots for the color delta E of each ink, as well as the TVI spread for each color where you measure dot gain. These are just a few of the report examples that MeasureColor Reports is able to generate. One of the best capabilities about the MeasureColor Reports platform is its customization capability. You can design different reports with different layouts and different data to show exactly what you either want to see internally or show to your customer externally. I'm going to continue now by looking at some of the reports that I have already established that look at multiple jobs at a time. Let's take a look real quick at the operator leaderboard. This helps you determine which operators are doing the best work for you, as well as which operators have opportunity to improve. I can simply scroll down my operator list either at a single location or across the entire company to see who's doing good and who may need improvement. Coming back to the home screen, I can also do ink analysis. This is going to help me analyze the production quality of a particular color over a great number of attributes, whether it's a particular machine, a particular client that we're printing for. I can look at data overall. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to search for cyan, and we're going to see the last 1,000 measurements that we did for this customer on one of our digital presses. We can see here a radar plot showing me that 990 of my samples are within tolerance 99% of the time, with just a couple outliers around the graph. We can look at a color spread representation showing me the visual variation in color from what I wanted to what I actually produced, while also seeing the lightest, the average, and the darkest, and seeing some statistics down at the bottom. Last, we can see a delta E to density comparison, with different densities running across the bottom on the x-axis, and different delta E's getting higher going up the y-axis. We can see which density is the best to run this color, and what percentage of my data ran near that density, or how the delta E varied as they went further away from that target. Next up, we can see a print room dashboard. Again, this can be configured for either a single location or across the entire enterprise. And what it does is it shows each printing press that's in operation. It shows what job they're currently working for, and then it shows me the quality scores of the last 30 measurements that were gathered. So very quickly I can scroll down and see which presses are doing good quality production, which ones are struggling, and which ones I need to pay attention to. Like most things in the MeasureColor Reports platform, all of these boxes can be clicked on to drill down into the individual job or measurement so you can see exactly what was going on. These views are also created to mimic what the operator was seeing in the MeasureColor software so that it's very easy to understand the data that's provided via MeasureColor Reports. Job calendar. This breaks apart what we did on a daily basis. So once this data populates, I can see by day each job that was worked on, which jobs had good color quality indicated by a good quality score and a color passing of green, jobs that we struggled on with a lower quality score and a color code of orange, and jobs that failed with a color code of red and a low quality score. Again, any one of these can be drilled down to, and I can see any number of available views to report upon that job. Lastly, we have some custom reports, a customer overview, which lets you look at the jobs done for a particular customer. You can simply select the customer that you're interested in and then see all the jobs that you printed for them. We can see the customized reports here on my favorite list, like this daily metrics example. This one was designed to look at a particular condition, show the quality score per measurement side by side, see a color summary data table, and then trends line specific to what this person wanted to see on a daily basis. All this information can also be easily automatically reported upon. If we look over here, we can schedule a PDF to be sent to our inbox so that at the start of our day, we can see what happened overnight or over a particular duration. And we can also generate PDFs for any of the views that you see from the report software. This is just a few of the great features that makes MeasureColor Reports so powerful. We look forward to sharing more with you soon. And if there's anything we can do to help, we can be reached at info@measurecolor.com. Thank you very much.